welcome to Amy Kate's Kitchen. Today I have a special guest. I have my husband, Rick.
Hi everyone.
So what I did first is I marinated the pork tenderloin in about a cup of Italian dressing. And then I put a half of a tablespoon of onion powder and garlic powder and about half of a teaspoon of salt. And then that has been sitting in the refrigerator for about 3 hours.
So the best way to go ahead and do this is to go ahead and to lace up your bacon so that it will go ahead and wrap around your pork tenderloin. Okay, so the best way to go ahead and tackle this, that as you're trying to lattice it, is pull two of the bacon pieces back, and then you're gonna lay a new one over the top, and then you're gonna put this back over. So we're gonna make a lattice here. Then you take the other opposite two sides, pull those back, and then we'll be putting another slice of bacon on this. Now this bacon, it's skinny on one side and fat on the other, so I'm gonna alternate them here just so it'll make a nice webbing of bacon for around the pork tenderloin. Now this will go onto the grill. Usually I like to go medium low and let it cook for about 20 minutes. A nice bed for the pork to sit on. And lay it on. This is where a little bit of a sprig of rosemary is good, just to kind of be on both sides. This was straight out of the wrap it around, whatever you can do to kind of encapsulate the pork with more pork. So after about 20 minutes per side, you like to go ahead and flip it on over and let it keep cooking. Looks delicious. Let's eat.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope you have a wonderful week.
And enjoy your meal.